Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll share 100 useful English phrases you can use in daily life. These phrases will make your English sound natural and fluent. Let's get started. The first phrase is, how's it going? Repeat after me. How's it going? How's it going? Right finger. The next phrase is, long time no see. Repeat after me. Long time no see. Long time no see. Right finger. Phrase number 3. What are you up to? Repeat after me. What are you up to? What are you up to? Right finger. Phrase number 4. I really appreciate it. Repeat after me. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Right finger. Phrase number 5. That sounds great. Repeat after me. That sounds great. That sounds great. Right finger. Phrase number 6. Could you help me out? Repeat after me. Could you help me out? Could you help me out? Right finger. Phrase number 6. Could you help me out? Repeat after me. Could you help me out? Could you help me out? Right finger. Phrase number 7. No worries. Repeat after me. No worries. No worries. Right finger. Phrase number 8. Take it easy. Repeat after me. Take it easy. Take it easy. Right finger. Phrase number 9. I don't feel like it. Repeat after me. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. Right finger. Phrase number 10. I'll get back to you. Repeat after me. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Phrase 11. That makes sense. Repeat after me. That makes sense. That makes sense. Right finger. Phrase 12. Don't take it personally. Repeat after me. Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally. Right finger. Phrase 13. I didn't catch that. Repeat after me. I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. Right finger. Phrase 14. I'm in a hurry. Repeat after me. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. Right finger. Phrase 15. Better late than never. Repeat after me. Better late than never. Better late than never. Right finger. Phrase 16. Keep in touch. Repeat after me. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. Right finger. Phrase 17. It's up to you. Repeat after me. It's up to you. It's up to you. Right finger. Phrase 18. Don't get me wrong. Repeat after me. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Right finger. Phrase 19. I can't thank you enough. Repeat after me. I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. Right finger. Phrase 20. Sorry for the confusion. Repeat after me. Sorry for the confusion. Sorry for the confusion. Right finger. Phrase 21. I owe you one. Repeat after me. I owe you one. I owe you one. Right finger. Phrase 22. Fingers crossed. Repeat after me. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Right finger. Phrase 23. It's not a big deal. Repeat after me. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Right finger. Phrase 24. You made my day. Repeat after me. You made my day. You made my day. Right finger. Phrase 25. Let's call it a day. Repeat after me. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Right finger. Phrase 26. I can't afford it. Repeat after me. I can't afford it. I can't afford it. Right finger. Phrase 27. I'm starving. Repeat after me. I'm starving. I'm starving. Right finger. Phrase 28. What do you think? Repeat after me. What do you think? What do you think? Right finger. Phrase 29. Let's grab a bite. Repeat after me. Let's grab a bite. Let's grab a bite. Right finger. Phrase 30. That's a good point. Repeat after me. That's a good point. That's a good point. Right finger. Phrase 31. I'm not sure about that. Repeat after me. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Right finger. Phrase 32. You're absolutely right. Repeat after me. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. Right finger. Phrase 33. I couldn't agree more. Repeat after me. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. Right finger. Phrase 34. I'll keep that in mind. Repeat after me. I'll keep that in mind. I'll keep that in mind. Right finger. Phrase 35. That rings a bell. Repeat after me. That rings a bell. That rings a bell. Right finger. Phrase 36. It's worth a try. Repeat after me. It's worth a try. It's worth a try. Right finger. Phrase 37. I'll give it a shot. Repeat after me. I'll give it a shot. I'll give it a shot. Right finger. Phrase 38. I'm not in the mood. Repeat after me. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Right finger. Phrase 39. You never know. Repeat after me. You never know. You never know. Right finger. Phrase 40. That's not fair. Repeat after me. That's not fair. That's not fair. Right finger. Phrase 41. I'll be right back. Repeat after me. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Right finger phrase 42. Take your time. Repeat after me. Take your time. Take your time. Right finger phrase 43. I'm on my way. Repeat after me. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Right finger phrase 44. Sorry, I'm running late. Repeat after me. Sorry, I'm running late. Sorry, I'm running late. Right finger phrase 45. That's incredible. Repeat after me. That's incredible. That's incredible. Right finger phrase 46. You're amazing. Repeat after me. You're amazing. You're amazing. Right finger phrase 47. What a coincidence. Repeat after me. What a coincidence. What a coincidence. Right finger phrase 48. Don't mention it. Repeat after me. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Right finger phrase 49. It's out of my hands. Repeat after me. It's out of my hands. It's out of my hands. Right finger phrase 50. That's a relief. Repeat after me. That's a relief. That's a relief. Hand waving outro. Great job. You've just learned 50 more daily English phrases. Repeat them again tomorrow, and they will become part of your natural English. If you liked this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you soon.